Hey everybody! I'm here today to hopefully not run out of breath. I know that intro was crazy long and ridiculous, but sometimes I gotta just do it every once in a while just to make myself laugh. I'm filming a lot of videos in a row today, and this is like, I think my 19th video that I've filmed in a row, so I gotta just sort of throw myself off and throw a curveball every once in a while just for fun. Anyways, I'm specifically going to be showing you and talking to you about, specifically and talking to you about the heated seats feature and the heated steering wheel feature in this van right here. So just to sum it up in a clear and concise sort of title and topic, the topic for this video will be about the Honda Odyssey van, and I'll be showing you and telling you how to use the heated seats and steering wheel features, and it'll be a full tutorial with easy instructions. Once again, for this video tutorial, it will be about the Honda Odyssey van that I'm in right now, and I'll be showing you and telling you how to use the heated seats and steering wheel feature, and it will be a full tutorial with easy instructions. And one last time, just to really drive it home, just because I've done so many videos in a row, okay, the specific topic of this video will be about the Honda Odyssey van that I'm in right now, and I'll be showing you and telling you how to use the heated seats feature and the heated steering wheel feature, and it will be a full tutorial with easy instructions. So one last time, just to really drive it home. I know I said this title so many times, and I'm probably going to regret this, but I'm going to just say it one more time anyways. This video is about the Honda Odyssey van, and I'll be showing you and telling you how to use the heated seats and steering wheel features, and it will be a full tutorial with super easy to follow along with instructions. Let's get into this, okay? Sorry about that long intro. Every once in a while, I just gotta change up my format just to keep myself in check. So essentially, if you have a Honda Odyssey van, chances are you have heated seats and heated steering wheel, okay? Heated seats and a heated steering wheel, okay? Now, as you can see, I have the Touring Edition, which comes with the air-conditioned seats as well, so just ignore this button right here. This is the button that you're looking for. This is the heated seat button right here, and essentially I'm going to press this button right here, and it's going to turn on full force the heated seats. I'm going to press it again, it goes down to level 2, and then press it one more time to level 1. I press it again, and it turns off. So this button will toggle the heated seats being on and off, and also the level of heat that you're getting. You can also do the same thing with the passenger seat over there. And I don't think on this van, I don't think the rear seats have heated seats. In my CRV, the rear seats have them, but in the van, I don't think they do. But that's how to use the heated seats feature in the Honda Odyssey van. Really easy. Now for the heated steering wheel, you're gonna move on to the steering wheel over here. And as you can see, this is the steering wheel right here. And for the heated steering wheel, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press it like this. Okay, and as you can see, the light turned on there. I thought the light was here, but to be honest with you, I think this is fast food. I think, yeah. I thought that was the light, but this is just a little crumb that was stuck there. So, so now the heated steering wheel has been turned on, and I will tell you, it does heat up super fast. And to turn it off, you press it again. So this button toggles the heated steering wheel on and off, just like that. Really easy. And yeah, that's it. Those buttons are how you control the heated seats and steering wheel features in the Honda Odyssey van. Once again, I tried to make it a full tutorial with easy instructions. I could have just said press the buttons, but I wanted to show you everything. That's why it's a full tutorial. It's not like a super 30-second tutorial. And I'm sorry about the long intro, but you know what? Like I said, I gotta have some fun with this sometimes. Hopefully you had a laugh or two. And yeah, that's it. If it's wintertime, if it's cold, these are like honestly great features. And when you auto start your Honda Odyssey van within a certain temperature range, the heated seats and steering wheel, I believe, turn on by themselves. It might just be the steering wheel. I know the steering wheel heats up by itself. I think the seats heat up too, but I could be wrong. But within a certain temperature range, when I auto start the Honda Odyssey van, this is my van, my 2022 Honda Odyssey, by the way. When I auto start it, the steering wheel definitely heats up by itself. The seats, I think, do as well, but I can't remember. And there's a certain temperature range that activates it. That's it. That is the video. That is the video that I just did once again about the Honda Odyssey van, specifically how to use the heated seats and steering wheel features. And it was a full tutorial with easy instructions just to drive it home one last time. That is basically it. Hopefully you can keep warm with your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.